helps choose reliable engine oil brands, ensuring better performance, engine protection, fuel efficiency, and long-lasting vehicle health with informed decisions. My today's video is about top 5 best car engine oil brands review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Shell Helix Extra 5W 30 API SP fully synthetic oil. Shell Helix Extra 5W 30 is a high-performance, fully synthetic engine oil designed to deliver superior protection and efficiency for modern engines. Its advanced anti-friction technology reduces engine wear, ensuring smoother operation and longer engine life even under demanding conditions like city traffic, highway acceleration, steep climbs, and cold starts. With up to 40% better wear protection, 78% improved corrosion resistance, and 58% enhanced deposit control compared to industry standards. It keeps the engine cleaner and more reliable over time. The oil also promotes improved fuel economy, lower emissions, and higher cost savings, making it both performance-focused and economical. Thanks to 30% faster oil flow, it enables easier starts and quicker engine warm-up, especially in cold weather. Meeting API SP Plus and ASEA A3/B3, A4/B4 standards, it ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including Maruti, Hyundai, Ford, Volkswagen, Skoda, Honda, and Toyota models. Overall, it's a dependable choice for long-term engine health and smooth driving performance. Now our second product is Castrol Magnatec 5W 30 full synthetic engine oil. This full synthetic engine oil is engineered with advanced technology to deliver nonstop engine protection from every start, making it especially effective for modern vehicles equipped with stop-start systems. Its innovative dual-lock molecules actively cling to critical engine components and interlock to form a strong protective layer, significantly reducing wear during both warm-up and frequent restart conditions, up to 50% less where compared to standard limits. Designed for efficiency, it also helps improve fuel economy, offering potential savings of up to 5,000 Indian rupees annually under standard driving conditions, making it both performance-driven and cost-effective. The oil meets advanced specifications including API SQ and ASEA C2, ensuring compatibility with BS6 engines and maintaining performance in modern automotive standards. Suitable for petrol, CNG, hybrid, and diesel vehicles, it also supports engines requiring older 5W30 specifications. Overall, it delivers strong protection, smoother performance, and improved efficiency, making it a reliable choice for daily driving and long-term engine health. Our third product is Valvoline Advanced C0W 20 motor oil. This full synthetic engine oil is engineered with next-generation protection technology to ensure consistent engine safety from every ignition cycle, including frequent start-stop driving found in modern traffic conditions. Its advanced dual-lock molecular technology binds directly to critical engine components, forming a durable protective layer that reduces friction and wear by up to 50% during warm-up and repeated restarts, helping extend engine life and maintain smoother performance over time. Beyond protection, it is designed for efficiency, offering potential fuel savings of up to 5,000 Indian rupees annually under standard driving conditions compared to conventional 15W40 oils. This makes it a practical choice for drivers seeking both performance and long-term cost reduction. Meeting advanced API SQ and ASEA C2 specifications, it is fully compatible with BS6 engines and suitable for vehicles requiring 5W30 grade oil. It supports a wide range of powertrains including petrol, CNG, hybrid, and diesel vehicles, making it a versatile and modern lubrication solution for everyday and demanding driving environments. Now number 4, Valvoline Max Life High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic. Valvoline Max Life High Mileage Synthetic Blend is specially engineered for engines with 75,000 miles or more, offering targeted care for aging powertrains. Its advanced formulation includes seal conditioners that help minimize oil leaks and reduce oil consumption, addressing common issues found in high-mileage vehicles and improving overall reliability. IT delivers up to 20% better wear protection and 15% stronger sludge defense compared to industry standards, helping prevent engine breakdown and extending engine life. Extra detergents work actively to protect against friction, corrosion, and harmful deposits, keeping the engine cleaner and more efficient over time. Enhanced friction-fighting additives further improve engine responsiveness while supporting better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. Although optimized for high-mileage engines, it also provides dependable benefits for newer and rebuilt engines, making it a versatile option. Meeting or exceeding ILSAC GF 7A, API-SQ, API-SP, and multiple OEM standards, it ensures broad compatibility and trusted protection for a wide range of gasoline vehicles requiring long-term durability and consistent performance. And our last choice is Shell Rotella 5W40 diesel engine oil. This full synthetic 5W40 diesel engine oil is built for heavy-duty performance, featuring triple protection plus technology that actively guard against wear, deposits, and oil breakdown. It is engineered to deliver stronger wear protection compared to previous API-CJ 4th-generation oils, helping extend engine life even under demanding workloads. A key advantage is its enhanced fuel economy capability of up to 1.5% compared to conventional 15W40 oils, without sacrificing durability or protection. This makes it a practical upgrade for both efficiency and long-term reliability. Its multi-functional dispersant additives help control soot, dirt, and contaminants, keeping the engine cleaner and reducing sludge buildup. The oil also resists thermal breakdown, ensuring stable protection throughout extended service intervals, while maintaining better low-temperature flow for easier cold starts. With an advanced low-ash formulation, it helps protect exhaust after-treatment systems from clogging or damage. Backed by a limited warranty of up to 15 years or 500,000 miles, it offers strong confidence for long-haul diesel engine users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.